Okay, just going to show you a comparison using this MD6250, which is like a copy replica of Ace 250. Obviously, it's not a fake as such because they don't actually call it a Garrett Ace 250. So, but it looks exactly the same, performs as far as I can tell exactly the same, and it also takes normal Garrett coils plus the Tornado coil as well. And if you look at the circuit board inside, it's really well made. There's a couple of adjustments you can make if you want a fiddle, but to be honest, they don't make a lot of difference. So I'll just show you the in-air tests and the kind of depth you can get in air. Obviously it'll be different in ground, but it might give you some confidence in you know, if deciding if you want to buy this machine, because I say it's just 70 odd pound cheaper than the Garrett equivalent. So anyhow, we'll move on and have a look at the test.
Yeah, just going to carry on from my last video, do some in-air tests of some coins, and I want to compare the stock coil of this MD6250 and against the Nel Tornado. As you might know, this MD6250 is a Chinese, call it what you want, replica of a Garrett Ace 250, and I've had a look at the circuit board. I'll show you a picture. It seems to perform just as well as the Ace 250. So, and it certainly works with the Nel Tornado coil for Garrett Aces. So I'm going to do an air test on some coins just to see the difference in depth. So we're going to be using all metal mode and with full sensitivity. So anyway, let's give it a go. Just going to use a pound coin just to start off with. This is the stock coil which came with this detector. As this detector, you probably know, it's I got it off eBay actually, and it cost me £89, but I think they're gone up to £92, 99 or something like that. So it's still about £80 cheaper than the Garrett equivalent. Anyway, let's do a depth in-air check. So pound coin, getting about 10.5 inches. There's a gold wedding ring. About 10 inches. And there's a Victorian halfpenny, I think. About 9.5 inches. So anyway, I'm going to do the same thing on the Nel Tornado, just to prove that this detector works with a coil that's designed for Garretts. Okay, I think it's picking up a bit of interference. Got the Nel coil on here. Just going to try the pound coin. So I get about 13 inches on the pound coin, and try the wedding ring. Nearly getting 15 inches on that, so I can try the Victorian halfpenny. About 14 inches, so as you can probably see, the Nel Tornado does make a difference. So I would say, if you want to save some money, you might want to have a look on eBay and pick one of these up. They don't actually list it as an MD6250, probably for obvious reasons, but as I say, it's probably one of the better, or the best, one of the best Chinese detectors to come out. There are some rubbish ones out there, to be honest, but this one seems to be the real deal. So as I say, it's about £92 in the UK, so hope you find that of use.